It's actually really getting a bit warmer nowadays. Thank goodness for that. I hope it lasts. Today I'm going to review Cape Malay flavored puffs. Obviously I bought it at Spar for $14.49. So it's the first time I saw this. It might be on the market for very long, I don't know, but first time I saw this. And I like Cape Malay, so let's give it a taste. Taste what it tastes like. You can smell the curry. It does smell like curry. It smells actually very nice, to be honest. It really smells nice. That's what it looks like. This is very nice. It's one of my favorites, I must say. I rate it 8.5 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.